ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning into the channel again for another DIY. If you haven't already done so, like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. So today I'm going to be doing the PCV valve change. So I've got my RB PCV valve from Berger Motorsports, which I obviously will put a link in the description below so that you guys can get yours. These are all the tools that you're going to need for today. This 14 fuel rail, 13 PCV valve, and 5mm Allen for the cover. Wrench, obviously. Ratchet. Rag to soak up the fuel whenever you're cracking the line. But without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so mine has there we go. Mine has 3 Allens. I don't know where the 4th one is. Never was there when I first got it. So one here, and one back here. Cover is removed. So now go ahead and take the 14 and the rag, put it on here so that it's not dripping everywhere. Crack it. Fuel will spill out, so that's a good thing of having the rag there. So once that one was cracked, go ahead and put your rag back here, line this one. Crack this one also. So once that one's cracked, you'll be able to actually remove the top one. Once you've got the line off, PCV connection is right here for the cap. Just put it on there. That's that. So this is the stock one that I had in there before. This is the original Berger Motorsports. My car's been smoking, so I'm trying to see if it's vacuum or if it's actually my turbos. But I figured why not try a different PCV valve. So this is the cap. PCV valve has to sit inside here, so I don't know if you'll need to trim out any of this, but mine fits right in. So you got your O-ring, make sure this O-ring, it comes out or you take it out when you are swapping yours. So what I'm gonna do is put a little bit of grease on this seal here, just so that it slides in properly. Also, you may have to use like a pliers to get the PCV valve out because it is pretty stuck in this sometimes. Alright, so now there's grease on that. Put some grease on this one here. Not a lot needed. I might end up getting a new cap eventually, just for looks. So greased up, greased up. Let's go ahead and put it back in. Pretty simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and insert the PCV valve back in here. Make sure it sits snug in there. If you have any problems with it, you could easily just put it inside the cap first. Make sure it's lined up right. Wiggle it in until it's seated right. And take your cap, just throw it right back over. Tighten it down pretty snug. No need to over tighten it or break it. And then you can go ahead and reattach your lines. Alright, I'm not going to put my cover back on because I want to see if there's any leaks or anything, and obviously I've been chasing this other issue, so I'm going to leave the cover off. That is the end of this video. I do want to show you guys these good looking flags, banners, or whatever you want to call them. If you want to pick yours up, I got these off Amazon, pretty cheap. So I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. Stay tuned for more. Peace.
Vegas nights playing cards, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit we all eat. Hear me well, no I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my sex, deal shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.